Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a discount code to Deliveroo in 2026. For that, first of all, you can either open your Deliveroo application on your phone. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Now over here, tap on your profile icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Now over here, you will be shown all of the menus. So you just have to click on the option of vouchers and the credits tab. Afterwards, you need to select the option of add voucher or the gift card button, and this is going to open a text field where you can basically input your specific promotional and referral code. You can also type your code exactly as it appears into the enter code field, and then you can click on the option of submit button. Alternatively, you can also add a code during the checkout process by clicking the add promo code just before confirming your payment method. So you need to describe how you want to finalize the process by checking the credit balance to ensure that the discount has been applied. So you can also come here on the official website of Deliveroo. Over here, you can log in into your account and follow the same process. So that's how you can do it. Thank you.